Alright, let's dive right in. Picture this, you're staring at your budget, those little red numbers are staring back, and you think, if only I could just add some cash to this thing, make it magically balance. You're using Rocket Money, loving the expense tracking, the subscription cancellations, but now you're wondering, can I actually just put money into Rocket Money? And if so, how? That's the question we're tackling today. Not just a simple yes or no, but a deep dive into the nuances of how Rocket Money interacts with your finances and what options you actually have to manage your cash flow effectively within the app. Because let's be real, managing money isn't just about cutting expenses, sometimes it's about shifting funds around and understanding the tools you have at your disposal. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's clarify something crucial. Rocket Money isn't a traditional bank account or a standalone digital wallet in the same way as, say, Venmo or Cash App. It's a financial management platform, a powerful tool that connects to your existing accounts. Its primary function is to give you a holistic view of your finances, identify areas for improvement, and automate certain financial tasks. So, the question of adding cash isn't about depositing physical bills into a Rocket Money account. Instead, it's about understanding how you can leverage the app's features to manage your existing funds and potentially even move money between your connected accounts. Think of Rocket Money as a sophisticated control panel for your financial spaceship. You're not adding fuel directly to the panel, but you're using it to redirect fuel, optimize its use, and ensure you're heading in the right direction. Let's break down the core functionalities that relate to adding cash, or rather, managing your cash flow, in Rocket Money. 1. Connecting your accounts. The foundation of Rocket Money's power lies in its ability to connect to your various bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. This is the first step, and it's absolutely crucial. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money can automatically import your transactions, categorize them, and give you a comprehensive overview of your spending habits. This is where the adding cash concept starts to take shape, albeit indirectly. By seeing a complete picture of your finances, you can identify areas where you're overspending and make adjustments. For example, you might notice that you're spending a significant amount on dining out. This insight allows you to consciously reduce your spending in that category, effectively adding that money back to your budget. 2. Budgeting and expense tracking. Rocket Money's budgeting tools are essential for managing your cash flow. You can create custom budgets for different categories, set spending limits, and track your progress throughout the month. This allows you to proactively allocate your funds and ensure that you're staying within your financial boundaries. When you create a budget, you're essentially deciding how your existing cash will be distributed. If you stick to your budget, you're adding to your savings or reducing your debt, depending on your financial goals. The app also categorizes your expenses automatically, giving you a clear picture of where your money is going. This granular view allows you to identify areas where you can cut back and free up cash for other purposes. 3. Subscription management. One of Rocket Money's most popular features is its ability to identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions. This can be a significant source of savings, effectively adding money back to your budget each month. By canceling subscriptions you no longer use, you're freeing up cash that can be used for other financial goals. 4. Net worth tracking. Rocket Money tracks your net worth by aggregating the balances of your connected accounts. This gives you a clear picture of your overall financial health and allows you to monitor your progress over time. While this doesn't directly add cash, it provides valuable insights into your financial trajectory and motivates you to make positive changes. 5. Smart savings accounts, Rocket Money Savings. While Rocket Money isn't a traditional bank, it does offer a Rocket Money Savings account, which is a high-yield savings account provided through partner banks. This is where you can actually move money into a dedicated savings space. To add cash to your Rocket Money savings, you'll need to transfer funds from one of your connected checking accounts. This is done through the app's savings feature, and it allows you to set up recurring transfers or make one-time deposits. This is the closest you'll get to directly adding cash to Rocket Money. It's not about depositing physical money, but it's about utilizing the app to move funds into a dedicated savings account. 6. Negotiation services. Rocket Money also offers negotiation services for bills and subscriptions. They'll work on your behalf to negotiate lower rates, potentially saving you money each month. These savings effectively add money back to your budget. 7. Insights and reports. Rocket Money provides detailed insights and reports on your spending habits, net worth, and other financial metrics. These reports can help you identify trends and make informed decisions about your finances. By understanding your financial data, you can make adjustments that improve your cash flow. So, how do you actually move money into the Rocket Money savings account? Open Rocket Money, launch the app on your mobile device. Navigate to Savings, find the Savings tab within the app. Link a funding account. You'll need to connect a checking account if you haven't already. Set up a transfer, choose the amount you want to transfer and select the frequency, one-time or recurring. Confirm the transfer, review the details, and confirm the transaction. It's important to remember that Rocket Money is a tool, not a magic wand. It can't create money out of thin air. But it can help you manage your existing funds more effectively, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions about your finances. While you can't deposit physical cash into Rocket Money, you can use its features to gain a comprehensive view of your finances, create and stick to a budget, cancel unwanted subscriptions, negotiate lower bills, move funds into a dedicated savings account, track your net worth. These actions, taken together, can significantly improve your cash flow and help you achieve your financial goals. Think of it like this: if you have a leaky bucket, you're not going to add more water without fixing the leaks first. Rocket Money helps you identify and fix those leaks, allowing you to retain more of your existing funds. By using Rocket Money's tools, you can effectively add cash to your budget by reducing expenses, saving money, and making informed financial decisions. It's about optimizing your existing resources, not creating new ones. The app's power lies in its ability to connect your financial world into one easily understood display. This allows you to make the better choices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.